Started.
Listening, bro.
Listening. Okay, fine.
Okay, Ji.
Yeah. So, okay, when compared to, okay, I'll just start with the weekly once again actually. When you see weekly here, the price has already collected the liquidity of this previous week high. So, based on CRT concept, actually, we can able to see it's clearly uh, uh, negative CRT, actually, bearish CRT. So, price will already tap to the 50%. So, the price might have come to the bottom of the weekly CRM. That is what we are looking for. So, from the weekly CRT perspective, our bias is bearish. And one more thing, we also see the weekly FEA price seems to be 50-50% the weekly FEA, because we cannot confirm the price respected this or not respected this, because
No.
it closed below this.
Bearish note is more prominent because we have weekly shortened.
Weekly sharpness happened, but still price can able to move up also. Though this is negative, price can still go up, then it will come down, touch this and come down. But eventually, when we go to lower time frame, we don't see any, this rejection is not followed by any order flow.
Okay.
When I go to daily time frame, you can see here that rejection is not followed by any BC actually. Any bullish FEG is not formed. So I can say that there is a small manipulation. So price is willing to come back only.
Okay.
So the initial planning, once the price touches this daily OB, negative OB, we can aim till here, because there is no resistance here.
Okay.
Suppose if tomorrow morning
Wait a
price
minute.
opened up.
Wait a minute. I think your audio is getting picked up by my microphone. It may get echoed in the recording.
Okay. Just make it a virtual one.
Just speak some few words.
Actually. So suppose tomorrow morning the price opens above like this, CB diamonds, then what happens is price is not willing to come down. It may require to collect some more liquidity, so it may target this also. So currently we are planning for this entry, provided tomorrow price opens down and retraces touch and then go down. So this is the plan. And now we are going to 4 hour. Okay, sorry.
Is it audible, G? Wait a minute.
And also,
okay, now it's fine.
No bullish PDA resistance. Till DOA. Okay. So these things will confirm us that it will be. So see, Bandhani also see here, there is lot of bearish arguments here, but no bearish or bullish argument here. So this shows the price is willing to come down actually. But finally, what happened? It depends on the price only. Okay, now again, I'm going to 4 hour now. When you go to 4 hour, you can able to see it daily BC here. But this also shorted. But what I can see here is the order flow is not that much great, because we saw here actually BC CB, sorry. So the price must touched it and found another BC or CB only, but it eventually found a BC. So somewhat consolidation is happening in the 4 hour, but neglecting that, eventually we finally got a CB here. So what I will do is I will mark this CB here. This is a 4 hour FEG. So tomorrow, if price respected the CB, we can ask differently also, that if the price wants to go up, then from where it from go from. Yeah, right. If a price want to go up from the daily time frame, it doesn't have any supporting period to go up, right? So that can be, if it goes up, mean that will be manipulation only.
See, Manthan, there is no valid PDRA in daily time frame as of now. Apart from the price to reaching that swing low, there is no valid PDRA to be tapped and go further higher. So, as per Karthi is saying, if it is going higher, either it should be a news driven or it should be a manipulation.
Actually, he's supporting our view only, actually, but he is just using some different words. That's all.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so here we can see here there's a 4 hour FEG here, and also there's a short run here. So I would not say the path will not be easy actually, because there are a lot of resistance also here. FEG, it's not only FEG, it's a 2
No, that was 2 CR FEG.
I just editing.
Anyhow, that would have been that will be an target.
These will be our targets actually, I agree. But still, suppose why I marked this is we should not aim for this directly. Because price may anytime react from here. That can be reversal
but
also.
actually, if you are getting an 1 hour CSD entry, in that case, can we target these swing lows?
That I am not sure because I haven't tested for that actually.
Okay.
So as per Aravind, actually, when he said he will consider some intermittent structure, right? And but as per your back testing, also you never considered about the 4 hour, right? So we can go with that actually as of now. Then we can learn from it.
Okay.
We can see actually, we can see how it works.
Okay, fine.
So thing is, so tomorrow maybe this can act as CRT for us, and maybe the CVD goes inside and Asia inside and London touches it, we can go for downwards. So again, this also.
But still, in 4 hour, the third candle looks like a slight
It's not a rejection
candle.
Maybe it is looking like a rejection one, but it is not supported from anywhere actually. Okay,
No, that
maybe
swing low has
though
been collected right in between. Yeah.
maybe this is like inducement actually, but it's so deep. Let's see actually how it does actually. Then we can decide.
G, mark that 4 hour FE as well.
Yeah, one second, G. For our FEA. This one
That
you're saying,
swing low. No, not that one. That intermediate swing low.
This one.
Yeah, that was the 4 hour FE.
This is actually exactly overlapping.
So currently price is respecting that 4 hour FE.
We shouldn't mark the FEG actually because it's not overlapping with the FEG. As compared to the second candle, it is so small, so FEG is good to trade off from. But actually, Manthan, what you said is okay, but the discussion point is actually we should consider this from here actually. When you consider this is a rejection. Added to this is a huge candle only.
So you need to consider that lower wick. Along with that, we need to consider that third candle as well.
Just imagine this FEG should be this much long. Now it's been reduced to this much. So this is a rejection kind of FEG formation. Rejection FEG. Like I used to say, there are three kind of FEG: breakaway gap, consolidation, rejection. This is the rejection one. So we should be very careful with the rejection. Suppose if the rejection happened after, but this is not coming from any. You are right. You are right. Actually, it's not coming from any PDRA. But what we can say is here we can see this is a 2CR, right? So this is some low probability rejection only, but still we need to be caution. That's what I was saying. What you say is right. I agree with the point, but it's not some free flow. So now, G, actually, this is the FEG actually.
Yeah.
So I don't think we just no need to mark it again. It's a daily.
I guess that the daily OB and 4 hour FEA both overlaps.
Yes, the same point on. So, do you want me to just cool?
Okay.
So our initial plan is to.
G, now if you are dealing with the context concept, that immediate swing low will be our context low, right? Yeah.
Correct. From here to here first.
So that is our context area, right?
Correct.
Nice.
From which period we are entering and what is the first resistance? The resistance can be a opposite PDRA or a swing point liquidity. This is swing point low, right?
That is our target.
Context area. So this is the next context. Okay, just say context means. Sorry.
Okay.
From this rectangle is my context.
Yes, exactly.
Here I can look for trade entry, but for 15-minute entry, if we can go low time frame also, 1 hour, 1 minute or 3 minutes, we can go for entry. But as of our plan, we will look for only in 15 minutes. So let's see how it plays tomorrow. So this is for Euro USD, right, G?
Yes, G.
I'll do one thing. I will mark this thing and copy it, and then I will go to GBP USD. Okay. First remove all the drawings. Then I paste this. And then I will mark it.
Cool.
Go to monthly. So don't need to write it again because most of the things will be same actually. Okay, but see here, that is not what it happened.
GBP so monthly is bearish than Euro.
Yeah. When you see here, this low is collected or no, monthly is not collected. So monthly is somewhat sideways. We can't able to predict anything in monthly.
No. Actually, monthly I would say it is mild bullish because monthly bullish FEG is under formation. And previous month high is our target.
Yeah, previous month high is what you okay. Maybe that will happen the next month, provided if it is completed. but based on candle sense, okay, I can say it's somewhat bullish actually. So
Yeah. I would say
this.
50-50 or mild bullish.
I will remove this actually. Next time onwards, what I'm trying to say is I try to remove the monthly time frame itself.
Just we can see that
Because
and
it's
we don't
not,
want to document it.
yeah, because it's not adding many value to us actually. It will be mild bullish, cool. So what I'm trying to say is, this is a sharp turn. Let's assume the mitigation happened in the Asia and price is moving to the target. Do you trade? It's a nice question, Mandan, actually, because we are not trading in the Asian mitigation as of now. We are just only observing. Because when you take the entry in 15-minute, a lot of time what happens is there will be a Zuda swing actually. ICD used to
But
say.
still, there is a possibility for a delayed protection as well.
Yeah, that was possible. So far, when I recorded for the back testing the past 2 months, most of the time when the Asian session mitigates, it's a false mitigation only. It's just like a manipulation, and price go for a deeper mitigation London session. So avoiding Asian will be better actually. And our mentor also used to say don't trade Asian session for 15-minute entries.
Okay,
Maybe
we'll
1
see.
hour you can consider.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is what we said. Then coming to, okay, there is no key level side G. I
Nothing
can
else.
say this is no. Okay, this okay. We can go to weekly.
Current DOL is previous month IG, that's all.
Yeah.
So, okay, Pakka 2 CRG.
So what happened is, uh, this is a valid OB actually last week.
No,
So
that
what
is
happened to this OB?
that OB's validity is null. That's fine. Now, as of
Yeah,
now,
but
you see,
no.
he,
What I'm saying is, this OB is suspected actually, right?
okay,
This weekly OB is suspected, so price is showing some respect actually. It is
but
not
we
closing
can
even.
see 2 CR in it's busy, right? Weekly busy.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is a trap order flow, because if it is a good OB, it should not formed next to BC will be formed actually.
Hmm.
And similarly, if it is a good BC, it should have supported this and it should have closed above this.
No,
So
you
currently
cannot
we are
say
trapped.
it can close above that, but as for the candle change, you can see there is a huge rejection from below.
But the thing is actually this is already rejected here. The next
Hmm.
candle should be gone up, but it's again coming deep down. So we
That is
cannot say this was
that
a
is a
great
2 CR,
OB.
right? Okay, we'll
Yeah,
see it in
correct,
daily. If
correct,
it is
correct,
a
bro.
daily or 4 hour, if there is a sharp turn, we
This
can
is
see.
this is what he used to call as ugly, somewhat ugly, bad to here actually, because if it respected this means it might have it see at one point it was here actually, right? But all the way it came down and close to here. That shows it's something we are not 100% sure actually.
Okay, we'll
Maybe I
see.
can mark it actually, but it's again it's 50-50 only. It's not 100%. Just imagine, see, actually, just
Mm-hmm.
imagine, this week when the price rejected like this, we might have aimed for short entry, right? And looked for
Okay,
this
GG.
target.
Now, with this current price action in display, what will be our, with candle signs alone, what will be our immediate DOF? Previous week high or previous week low?
The thing is, it's 50-50. I can't able to fix it at this moment. That's what I'm saying.
With CS alone,
Yeah,
with
CS on,
candle signs
because
alone.
you see, with the current candle, it's a most of the part of the big actually.
Hmm.
It is respecting this also, respect this also. We can't able to make a decision over
No, no,
here
no, no,
unless
G.
until like
See it closely. You can see the
maybe
low has
maybe
been
we
respected.
can say, I can say it's a bullish one
Hmm.
actually. I agree with that. But that too I will not confirm unless otherwise I go and see in the lower time frame
Ah,
for the bullish order flow.
okay, okay. In weekly, you can say
That's
it
what
is
I'm,
50-50.
for example, if I don't have this OB here, I might have said that I will go for this because this is trapped
So,
actually now, right?
no,
So
the
weekly
OB's
I said,
validity is null. That's it. That
uh,
once the price has spoken, it means that's all. That OB validity is null. The thing
that's right
is,
actually, but
after tapping that weekly OB, the next OB has formed. Do you see it?
I will say it's a mild bullish.
Hmm. What 50-50 itself you
Okay,
can say.
okay, sorry, I should not write it here actually. Okay, week. Okay, I will not also week.
50-50, just tap 50-50. That's enough.
Here I can say J because it's somewhat here 50-50
50-50 bullish.
or mild bullish. Okay,
CS.
neutral to bullish.
CS. Put the CS. As per the candle chains alone, we can see. We are seeing this.
And not only can it sense, it's also respecting the key level, right?
Hmm.
So this the key level is valid, it is over actually.
Yeah. That's all.
Because this is 2 CR, that's also right. So now we expect the price to go up and target this size.
Yes, exactly.
But let's see how it happens. This is our weekly target.
Weekly swing high.
Minimum can we target previous week?
Previous
you're
week
right.
But that will be very near, Manthan. It will be very near. Hardly it would have been around 20 to 30 pips.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
If price is coming to previous week high, then it can easily target the weekly swing high as well.
Yeah, we will always mark the previous week high and previous week low. So don't worry, we will never miss the previous week high, previous week low, and previous week day high and day low.
Place the alerts as well.
Sarji?
Place the alerts.
Yeah,
alert.
Okay. Alerts, I think so. I will mark the. I will use the indicator.
Okay.
Because every time it's difficult to mark the again and again. I will use the indicator actually automatically.
Okay, fine.
Okay, right? So that will be useful.
Okay, so go to daily.
Now I go to daily here.
Daily ugly price action. Ugly, very ugly.
Okay, it's not even showing anything in daily.
Daily recently it has a soft turn. But
my objective is very simple. Let it break this actually. Okay, let it form any PDRAs, any valid. Okay.
Daily we do you consider that as daily OB?
No. Under consolidation, I will not see any OB or any FEG. You need to check that high probability model G actually. In that FEG of, I think it's the fifth video. He said the first thing he says is actually, just a minute, I will, maybe this can be out of the topic, but still I would like to show it actually. It's a great learning today. The first thing he just asked us to look for the thing is before formation is okay here during the formation is if the price is in trend or in consolidation. That's the first thing we need to look at actually for high probability. If the price is in consolidation, any consolidation, there is no trap order flow. Then whatever may be anything, that's a low probability. You should not need to look for liquidity, no need to look for any PDRAs, nothing need to be liquid. Because already the base is the utensils is already dirty.
Yes.
So how much pure you put the rice or dal, it will become dirty only.
Yes.
Okay. So wait for any PD array to form. Then you can decide. So nothing is in daily. But what I can say, we can look for this targets actually. This can be like a target in 4 hour probably.
See 4 hour how it is. Okay.
4 hour is not that bad actually.
No, actually we are aiming for longs, but here we are seeing short runs.
Yeah, actually, I'm not convinced of the long so far.
Just to draw a fib for that swing low to swing high. Recent swing low to swing high. Previous week low to previous week high.
This one. But what I see is actually, when you consider this actually here, we are in OT and this is for shorting.
Okay, but as per the candle signs and buyers,
yeah, no, actually the candle signs is nothing but just a physical representation to make some idea. But the order flow will dictate. The order flow and candle chain should match actually. Okay. Here, since you said you are a bullish thing actually, weekly time frame, in 4 hours it should be in bullish bias. Okay. But what happened? We got a short turn. And the short turn is not even violated. So I will not consider candle chains now actually. You got me right?
Yeah.
So when the candle chains order flow go in hand, then we can decide, okay, we can make some decision out of them.
Okay, we'll see if there is a 4 hour BC is forming, then we can see of it.
So what I say is, okay, actually, sorry, this will be marked in red actually. This will be in waiting list.
Orange, yeah.
Yeah. So because there's no clear thing I can able to see here. I would say is.
But since we are seeing bearish price action in euro, it will be highly unlikely for GBP to go above. That is also
right. And what I can say is, price respected this FEG, not perfectly, but it formed another FEG here. Probably.
So better to avoid GBP is better. Better we can avoid GBP.
We can avoid GBP at this moment. maybe if it try to reach us here after order flow here, maybe if another 4 hour if the CB form us here,
Yeah. For
suppose
example,
touches here, then we can look
yeah,
for that.
if we are getting that means the recent 4 hour FEG should be respected and new FEG should be formed. I mean, recent CB should be respected and new CB should be formed.
Correct. I forgot to add this. And Manthan, do you have any view on this? Manthan, do you see any point you need to add? Oh, sorry, IPL. Sorry. Wait for clear 4 hour FEG to show bullishness. Okay, but I don't see bullishness will be our target actually. We will
Manthan,
be looking
see,
for some,
since Euro and the GBP are like close brothers, whatever Euro is doing, the GBP will also follow. Now we are planning shorts in Euro. And in that case, either we need to be in sidelines in GBP or we need to look for shorts. We cannot plan for longs unless there is a strong price action to support that. Do you agree?
you can see here actually. Yeah, I will just a minute. Better wait to this one. We have the other. Obviously you're right. You can see here when you see the order flow here, the lows are broken solidly, but highs are protected. So it's completely the current order flow is down only.
Okay, we will wait. We will wait. It's messy actually.
We will wait it actually.
No clear DOL in daily. No clear.
That's a wait. I will put in waiting list.
Okay.
Wait. Hold. So coming to ADUD. Actually, we just don't need to do the arguments actually. I will finally place that actually because it's taking too much of time now.
Because only we are having 6 pairs, right? So anyhow, if we are seeing that, we will be understanding that. Only if we are having numerous pairs, we need to see for arguments.
Monthly collecting liquid and going up, but this month is not that much.
Actually, as of now, it is respecting the previous month high and rejecting downwards.
Okay. No inference from here. I will go to weekly.
Okay, weekly FEG is there.
Weekly, it's respected. It got FEG and FEG is not respected, but we need to wait for another FEG to be formed actually.
We need to wait for short term in weekly. That's it.
Yeah, we have short term weekly. That's enough. Okay, sorry.
Mark the weekly FEG.
Yeah.
Just carry on, just a minute. You just carry on. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Yeah. Manthan, just unmute yourself. Let's see how noisy you are.
Yeah.
It's not noisy.
It's sometimes the outside speaking much.
Okay, cool. So you're in pharma.
Yeah.
Cool. So I don't see the price action not clear here in perspective because we see suddenly the candle rejected up. This is a good OB. We might have taken the entry from here actually, right? And then price collected this liquidity and this engulfed here, so we might have taken entry from here. This entire week we might have bullish, but now it's a it's a doji. I will not decide what we should do next week based on this. I'm just going to the daily time frame. So what I can see here is, I would say nothing. Price doesn't respected the BC here, and I would say it formed the bullish OB and OB is suspected. Do you agree this is OB, right? Manthan?
Yeah, if you consider that liquidity from previous day, okay. If you consider that.
These are the liquidity section, this is the liquidity collector, and price has sharp turn here, and also it respected it one, right? Once it respected.
Okay, so what is the situation in AUD?
Actually, the weekly is not that much good, G. We can't able to see anything based on the weekly
Even
candle
daily is
here.
not good, G.
Daily is also not good. It's in consultation. The BC is disrespected. Okay.
Maybe
And,
we can see it can take out the current DOL is weekly FEG. Below.
Yeah, maybe we can weekly low and weekly FEG can be target
Yeah,
actually,
previous
but
week
from
low.
where? But from where? That's a question. That question.
4 hour.
4 hours somewhat, but 4
Hmm.
also
4 hour is nice actually.
it looking like nice, but when you see here, this low is collected, this low is collected, full bullishness, but this not respected sharp turn. This respected, but coming here once again here. So it's a sharp turn is happening, and it's happened after collecting this liquidity. So I
Yeah,
can
we can
accept this
target
sharp
at least
turn.
that 4 hour bullish OBG.
Yeah, I will mark this.
In 4 hour, it is looking somewhat decent.
But what the problem is, the price already collected this liquidity, right?
Yeah.
It collected this low, that be a fractal low and coming up. So I'm not sure whether it's respected or not, because here when the price reversed to here, it also 2 CR, right? So I strongly accept this thing as a reversal, and we can aim for this. This is what you're saying, right?
The 4 hour OB,
The low
yes.
B.
With wick itself, you can consider because it was an explosive candle, yeah.
So let's see. It's again 50-50 only
Okay.
between this and this, because it is coming after collecting this liquidity. That is
Maybe
also a
that
problem.
immediate FEG may not be respected, but the above FEG can be respected. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mark
that,
those two
that
FEGs.
also, yeah, that's also nice. So we need to wait for
And
a sharp
yeah,
turn. Don't
yeah,
go for
actually that
SC.
FEG candle could be an CRT candle. That big FEG candle is there, right? That could be
Good
our
person.
CRT candle. And all the next candles could be inside candles.
Correct, you're right. Let's wait and see actually. But the problem is actually here.
Place alerts, G, for
Um,
both to place alerts.
uh, what I'm planning is I'm trying to create alerts for all the 4 FEGs.
No, G, no, G. You just do it for a previous week high, day high. For FEGs, we'll do it
No, no,
manually.
for all these 10 pairs, why not? Actually,
Okay.
only 10 pairs, 4 hour. How many times it's going to hit? Only just going to open and see. That's all right.
Okay. Because we haven't used that, but previously when we are using miners, we were repeatedly getting alerts
Yeah,
for
minus. I'm
FEG.
talking minus. All right. We're only
Okay,
going to
okay.
put alerts for a day high, week high, day low, week low, and a 4 hour busy CB. That too not formation. That too only tapping.
Okay.
Whenever price touches the 4 hour busy or CB, it will give the alerts.
Okay. Okay, Ji, that's all for
So,
AUD. As of now, the previous week low or
so
that
it's
for
50-50
OBs or
only.
DOL.
It's again 50-50.
We'll see.
So I will put it on the
Orange, okay.
orange itself.
Same price action.
Also, we can wait for 1 hour to follow through that FAG to then look for entries maybe.
Where will you see for 1 hour thing? I didn't get you.
Okay, what he is saying is actually
Do you have any daily PDR?
no. What he's no. What he said no. So after searching this FAG, if we confirm the 1 hour confirms with the FAG, the
1 hour short
afterwards
turn, you are saying.
1 hour top turn. Yeah,
Hmm.
see here, this is also not good. So sharp turn confirm, then we can look for some by confirm. That's what he's saying, right? Right, Manthan?
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
looking
that's
1 hour sharp turn in
yeah,
here, right? After
yeah.
touching this.
Okay,
Yeah,
we'll
then
see.
you're right actually, because we can target this actually. But price formed this, respected this, formed again. So somewhat
It's
not good.
better
That
to leave because we have many pairs to deal with. We can
yeah,
leave
many
the pairs.
yeah. Other parts are there now. We can see.
Yeah.
But actually, generally we can avoid trading Monday and Friday actually, because Monday and Friday will give us unless until the price touches the key level in Friday, we won't get good move in Monday. So let's see. But it should not be blindly avoided. So the daily it
Monthly
collected
is
the
not
previous
good, Ji.
one.
Monthly is not good.
On this
Go to weekly.
monthly is good.
Weekly, 2 CR failed.
2 CR
But
failed.
we have daily, sorry, weekly FEA as well. The last down close candle is our daily FEA. Sorry, weekly FEA. No. With wick itself, you can consider. Yeah.
FEG overlapping, right?
That is our weekly OB or weekly FEA, whatever it could be. And currently, price has
So
respected that.
we need to confirm it. It's respected actually. So maybe bullish, but it's currently we are trying to don't try to capture the neck of the move. Okay.
Yeah. We'll wait for
Till
confirmation. At least
confirmation.
we need to get 4 hour short run.
So
Actually,
will be
I
a
think this is
CRT.
what Arvind tries to do.
Sorry, Ji.
Arvind. I think this is what he's
Okay.
trying to do. Similarly, he took that gold trade in with daily FEA and 4 hour short run, right? Yesterday he
When
was
it touches
telling.
here, yeah. Wait a minute. This is weekly, right? I'll go to 4 hour.
Yeah. After tapping
Short
that
run
weekly
happened here.
FEA, we got that 4 hour FEA. Yeah.
It touched here. This trade might. I'm not sure whether it hit our TP or not.
No, as soon as our 4 hour OB has been tapped, maybe as per the Arjo.
No, I'm not sure about that because when the price is coming and touching this, already forming the BC, right? CB. So
No,
we will not be
Jinoji,
looking
you're
at the.
seeing that next leg. I'm seeing that current leg itself. The moment when it tapped weekly FEA, then it was a strong
Correct.
rejection, right?
Yeah, but it didn't give entry, right?
Yeah, but FEG was not tapped and it straightly went away.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying actually. FE is respected here, but the problem is it didn't give entry. Probably what about in daily? Daily also not respected.
Daily, but we got that daily CSD.
Daily CST, but that is also not respected. Let's see.
Mm.
Okay, sorry. We are saying weekly, right? Did I mark the weekly FEA, everything, right? So price is respecting weekly FEA. So most probably we can get up movement, but the current CB is not respected. So price can anytime go down.
Gee, wait a minute. The November swing high is there, right? Has it been taken out? November swing high.
This one.
Yeah, November
No.
swing high. Swing high.
No.
Just left.
This one, right?
That's one. No, it was not
Not
taken
taken.
out. Okay.
Not taken.
Just a zoom out a little
But
bit, in weekly. Just zoom out a little bit. Okay. Seems like a replacement actually. There is further down moves there. But
yeah,
okay.
no. Yeah, simple. Actually, this period is not respected, right? It is a flawed actually. It's a flawed with FEG, but overlapping here. So probably price
If next week
respected
is
this.
closing below this, then we can target at that low. That's all.
Yes, we can target definitely this low. Up to this we can target. Low also we can target.
Those 3
We know
consecutive
low.
black candles is there, right? We can target that from that one. Yeah.
And also you can see here the
OB is also
daily
violated.
not respected. Yes, that's what I'm
Yeah.
trying to say. OB is also not respected. So I will not go for buy here.
We'll wait for one more CB, daily CB to form, then we can decide accordingly. As of now, short run has happened in daily. Daily CB has formed, and after tapping the daily CB, next CB is yet to form.
Sorry, what is it?
As of now, we are seeing daily short run, right, G? But still, it is an ugly short run.
It is not a good short run because a lot of
it has formed after a month.
Yeah.
But after tapping this the daily CB, if there is a new daily CB is forming, means then we can consider it.
Yeah. So far this also sideways only. Maybe see 4 hour.
Yeah, see here,
That is
G,
also not good.
there is an SMT. Actually, there is an SMT. UG and AUD.
With it?
AUD.
Okay.
Initially, what we were expecting that in AUD that 4 hour OB is our DOL, right? Nearest DOL. Take away Euro. BC, yeah.
What are you saying actually?
Just zoom both. That swing low has been taken here, but that swing low is set to be taken in UG. Nearest swing low, I'm saying.
This one, right? You're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in this case, we can say.
1 second.
AUD is more bearish.
Okay, let's see, G. Let's keep the SMT actually now. We'll just see here. For SMT also we need to have a key level actually to be taken from. Here I will mark this is.
That FPG will not be respected, G. Because it
Those
is,
phrase coming.
but that OB is there, but that OB has not started any liquidity.
Correct. It depends. Let mark it out. Later we can decide.
Yeah.
Mandan, you're saying something?
I think that bearish 4-hour fair value gap can follow through at least to the swing lows.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Because
Yeah, it's
weekly FPA is not that much, it's not following through to the upside. We see the moment goes up, then it is completely filled. So if next week also wants to expand to the upside, it will likely first gonna target weekly low to then potentially go up.
That's all. Because the weekly FEA is not pushing the price too high.
Yeah, yeah.
It
It
eventually
got
came
failed, yeah.
down. So
Yeah, yeah.
it's not a failed actually. It maybe it can be break on through. That's what you're saying. So we can able to target at least to the previous week low.
No, that is fine.
Yeah.
But the question is from where we can take a shot.
This FEGs because this FEG already
That,
violated this FEG, right? Short
yeah,
term
yeah. It
happens.
also swept that swing high.
Yeah.
But I would say it is mildly bullish.
No, Jackson, it's not bullish. I will not say bullish because this is short term, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
sharp turn.
It is a
And there
two
is
star.
no
It's a
sell
two
side
CR.
liquidity yet
Yeah, this is
targeted.
the two CR. After cutting two CR, it gave a short turn. So
Hmm.
it's a valid short turn actually. So I have more confidence actually. If price touches here, it will go down.
There is no sell side liquidity
But the
yet
third candle
taken.
is an rejection candle, I would say.
But it's not rejected from anywhere, right?
Mm.
Hmm. I would say that could be a 4-hour OB because it has formed an
Mm,
FEG, right?
okay, let's see. Actually, I will put this also waiting list,
Hmm.
but I will consider this more for a bearish entries. Let's see.
Because
Direct fund.
that swing low has been taken out in AUD, but news it hasn't taken out. So it indicates the news is slightly bullish than AUD.
Okay. Okay, that
So in
also
that
valid
case,
point.
I suspect it can go somewhat deeper above.
Yeah, but
Maybe.
maybe let's see actually. Let me do one thing. We don't need to go for CST. We look for short term in 15 minutes.
Or
What I say is, see
I
what I
prefer,
say is,
yeah, I prefer to short in the above FEG. If we are getting a CSD in 4-hour FEG below itself means fine, but I will suspect that. But if I am getting a CSD in above FEG, I will go for it.
okay, let me wait for the short turn actually in 15 minutes. If I get a short turn in London, then I can go for it.
Yeah,
But
even in
for
Asia
New
itself, we
Zealand,
can see.
yeah, for New Zealand Asia, we can accept it. Let's see actually, G. But my query is very simple actually. Based upon my backtesting data, what I can do is I will, if a CSD happens also, I will take entry. Okay, simple for me. I won't consider this as a OB. I will not look for SMT. So this already created this, collected this, coming down. Lot of arguments supporting the bearish. So I will go for a short
Okay,
here.
okay, okay, we'll see.
With less parameter to analyze, I will do this only.
But with SMT, when I'm suspecting this as slightly bullish, because that swing low has been
Yeah,
already taken out in AUD, but it is yet to be taken out.
maybe we can check that actually, but I am not
Okay, just
surprised on
have
it.
it on oranges. We'll see
We
tomorrow.
can check this. We can compare this G. Then we can analyze this, and we can just add some extra condition to SMT also, right?
Okay, okay,
New
okay.
learning can be added to SMT
Hmm.
based on this, right?
Yes,
G,
yes.
can we just have a break actually here because it's been 2.5 2 hours actually we're doing now, right?
Okay.
So can I do the remaining things later, right?
Okay, Ji. We'll do it as a part two after dinner.
After dinner we can try, yeah.
Yeah, Manthan, are you okay with that? Will you be
Okay,
free after
If
okay.
you're
dinner?
free, you can
That's
join.
the,
Yeah, man. If you're free, you can join actually.
Else, we'll be
yeah.
doing the recording and you can see it as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't need to see the recording actually. Maybe if you see the short also, you can able to see that.
But mostly
Because
try to join the session because it will be nice
yeah.
and it will be interactive.
Yeah, I'll be free. Let's say if I have charging problem, that's why no electricity here.
Okay, okay.
Oh, today shutdown, ah.
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, man.
Okay, Manthan. We'll see. If you are available, you just try to join.
Okay.
Okay, Manthan. Bye.
Bye.
Ji, Papan ji. Bye, ji.
Okay.